Hi, welcome to another episode of Money Horn. Today, I would like to show you a brand new app that pays you $3,000 or more for free. But before that, this is Dash from Money Horn. If you want to know more make money online methods like these, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, let's dig into the method. First, I will show you the app that works really well. And this is the site. The site name is kickbooster.me. Kickbooster.me. This is a great crowdfunding creators site. People are posting various projects of various categories here. People really need funding, crowdfunding for their projects to go live in real world. So this is an awesome site, awesome projects you can see here. All you have to do is you can either invest in crowdfunding using Kickbooster site, or that is not a earn money part, but to earn money you can join their affiliate system, by which you can make great money by asking people to crowdfund here, by asking people to invest their money, and you are going to get commission for that. And this is really awesome. So let's find out what these sites offers. This site looks great. This site is brand new as well, and all you have to do is you can browse these sites for your better understanding. I will jump straight into the strategy. So first part is to how to get into the affiliate system of Kickbooster. So for that, you go to kickbooster.me and click sign up button. That will bring up this page, and it will show you two type to sign up into Kickboosters, and that is project creator or merchant and affiliate marketer. So as we are here to make money, so we are not interested in project creator right now, but you can create. So we proceed with affiliate marketer. So when you click here, it will show this page, and it will ask for your name, your email address, your PayPal email address, which is optional, but you have to have a PayPal email address to get payout, and your referral code, by which you get referred to see kickbooster.me, and this is also optional, and your passwords. That's it. You have to check mark their terms and use conditions and license agreement, and this is not necessary, but you can also subscribe into their campaign and news, and that's it. You hit on submit and you're registered. And before you proceed with their site, you have to confirm your email address by logging into your email address, and you will see a confirmation mail from Kickboosters, which will ask you to press the confirm email button in their email, and it will be confirmed. And when you log in, this will show the Kickboosters dashboard, which is 0, as I have a new account here. It will show your commissions, your boosted amount, and your clicks. The commission status will show here, and boosted amounts will be showing here. Anyway, the thing is, when you sign up, you see your dashboard. You just click on here, marketplace. That will bring up this page, and here Kickboosters will show you some working campaigns that are running right now, and you can also browse various projects of various categories you choose. By default, it all is selected, but There are lots of category like beauty and personal care, design, everyday carry, fashion, goods, games, health, technology. This is very important. You can browse through their categories that you are interested in your interested to work. You select that category, then you go up here in the sort by section, and when you click it, you can see that newest arrivals, most funded, ending soon, commission high to low. But I recommend you select our latest picks. That is an important sorting selection, because kick boosters will show then their choice, their most profitable and most working models, working projects that are profitable will show up first. Then it will go down there. So when you select our latest picks, it will show really great projects that are already thought out to work. You just have to go there and start boosting these projects and campaigns, and it will definitely work if you work regularly and sincerely. As I say, do not experiment anything, just do what I say, then you will definitely should have some success. So there are lots of categories here. If I say like this one, if I click on this project, it's a Bolt by USAID, world's most powerful. It's a power bank project. So if I click on this project, it will show like this. This is their campaign page. People are going to see this page. People, when you invite peoples into these campaigns, those peoples are going to see this page, and it has a very great promotion video of it, and it also shows how this product is, how it performs. It's just a promotional video that is very interactive, and if and it's showing you that here in the right side, there are five already. You see, they already reached $172,000 already of their 5,000 goal, and they have already 768 backers who invested in this campaign, in these projects, and these projects are going to end up in 41 days. So if they see these videos, they are really want to invest, they are interested in this project to go live, they can invest any amount by clicking back this project button here. So when you promote this project, they are going to invest by clicking this button, and you when the investment completed, you are going to get commission for that. So this is the one part of it. Now, what if you want to promote? How you can get that link? So back on the page, and when you click on boost this campaign, this going to redirect you to the Kickboosters dashboard, which is like this. And now you can see that those power bank link has been created especially for you. This link here is the link that you have to share or invite people to join through, so that you can get commission for that. So here you can they are asking to share it on Twitter or Facebook, but I'm going to show you a great way by which you can get lots of traffic and lots of buyer traffic that are really interested to these type of projects. So when just click on copy to copy this link, and then I'm going to show you, you already know this site, which is reddit.com. This is the awesome community that suits up this type of campaigns really well. So you have to just click on You just go to reddit.com, click on sign up, and you can sign up with your Google account or Apple account, or you can even using your email, you can sign up using your email. So when you sign up, you just search here like mobile phones, and when you hit enters, it will show up like this. It will show the mobile phone related communities on Reddit, and it will pops up it will show some great communities and big communities with millions of members in it, like technology, Android, iPhone, gaming, Apple. You see some great communities with lots of thousands of millions of members in it have are show up here. So you just have to join those communities that people going to love, because these are mobile phones, because I am promoting power banks. So peoples in smartphone area are going to really love this project, and there is a better chance to people invest in this project from this type of technology and mobile phone related communities. So it's your choice. When you have to search it based on your campaign on kick boosters. If you promote another item, you have to search it on that keyword on Reddit, so that people are interested on that project to invest there. So you just join there, then you have to provide value on those communities so that you can promote your links, but you cannot spam. Spam is really prohibited in everywhere. You cannot go get success with by spamming. So you have to post regularly on those on those communities, so people going to love you, Reddit going to love you, and then time to time you post some campaign links from kick boosters. I just for example, I have written a campaign for this product, the product I am promoting, the Bolt power bank. I have written a small post to post in Reddit. That is, you can copy the exact words, but do not post the same words. It will not work like that. You have to just read it and write it in your words, and then at the bottom you just paste here in this link, you just replace this link with your campaign ID from kick boosters. That will going to work really well. So you just when you're ready, you just copy the post and post it in these communities, and people going to really love to watch that and invest in projects like these, and you are really going to get commission for that. And here you will going to get 10%. It's 10% commission for every any referred placed you send to our campaign. So that means if someone invested like $100, you're going to get $10 for that, and more people are investing, your commission will increase more for that. So there is no limit for your earning, so you can make thousands of dollars on your effort. All you have to do is go to Reddit, be active regularly, and post valuable contents in those on those groups, and then you time to time uh, promote your post that contains your affiliate link, so you can get that traffic, and your earning can grow much faster day by day. So this is it. This is it. This is the really this is a really great site, and this is a really great earning opportunity for you. You have to hop in right now to get going, because this is going to get people's attraction really fast, and they are really they are I see they have lots of interesting campaigns that people are really going to love to invest, and you are also going to be happy promoting these type of campaigns that are already working great for everyone. So this is the method. I hope you like it, but always I recommend be active. Money will follow you. So till then, thanks for watching these videos. This is the end. And please, if you like this video, please do subscribe below and stay tuned with this channel. Thanks for watching. See you later.